In this next section, identify the place value of a digit. Find the place value of each listed digit. In the number 684,293, find the place value of each digit. So remember, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So the 600,000s, the 8 is in the 10,000s place, the 4 is in the thousands place, the 2 is in the hundreds place, the 9 is in the tens place, and the 3 is in the ones place. For this one, we have 5,730,416. Find the place value of each digit. So the 5 is in the millions place. The 7 is in the 100,000s place. The 3 is in the 10,000s place. The 0 is in the thousands place. The 4 is in the hundreds place. The 1 is in the tens place, and the 6 is in the ones place. In the number 92,608,157, find the place value of each digit. This one, they are listed out of order, although I think if I were solving this problem on a test, I would still answer these in the order that they appear in the number. So I would start with the 9 and write 10 millions place. Let's go to the 2 and write the millions place. Let's go to the 6 and write the 100,000s place. Go to the 0, and that is the 10,000s place. Go to the 8 for the thousands. The 1 is in the hundreds place. The 5 is in the tens place, and the 7 is in the ones place. Oof, this one. And the number 407,315,029, find the place value of each digit. Once again, I think that I would tackle this in the order that they're presented in the number and not the order that they're given, just because it would help me keep track. So this one is the 100 millions place. The 0 is not listed, so then we can go to 7 for the millions place. Go to the 3 for the 100,000s place. Go to the 1 for the 10,000s place. Go to the 5 for the thousands. 0 is not listed. Go to the 2 for the tens place, and go to the 9 for the ones place.